Next we will see few questions to arrange few amines either in the increasing order or in the decreasing order of their basicity. So before that, remember, when we compare aliphatic amines and aromatic amines and ammonia, the more basic is aliphatic amine and the least basic is aniline or aromatic amine. Ammonia is having basicity intermediate between alkyl amines and aromatic amines. So by keeping all these things in your mind, we can do some questions. Okay. See the first question. It is to arrange the following amines in the decreasing order of their basic strength. And in the given question, the first one is C6H5NH2, that is aniline. C6H5NH2 is aniline. The second one is C2H5NH2, it is an aliphatic amine, primary amine. This is a primary amine. C2H5 twice NH, again it is an aliphatic amine and a secondary amine, and the last one is ammonia. So here we have an aromatic amine, that is aniline, two aliphatic amines and one ammonia. The question is to arrange in the decreasing order of basic strength. Decreasing order means the one which is having higher basic strength we have to write first. So among this, which is more basic? Yes, we know that aliphatic amines are more basic than ammonia and aniline. But here we have two aliphatic amines. One is primary and one is secondary. So which is more basic here? Yes, secondary amines are more basic than primary. Then comes ammonia and the last one will be, the least basic will be aniline. And here we know the reason why the secondary amine is more basic, due to the plus psi effect of two alkyl groups. Here we have two alkyl groups, but here we have only one alkyl group. So this is the order of, decreasing order of basic strength. Now in the second question, the second question is to arrange in the increasing order of basic strength. And the given compounds are C2H5NH2, it is a primary aliphatic amine. C6H5NH2 means it is aniline, aromatic. Then ammonia, and there is a compound, that is C6H5CH2NH2. So this is a very common compound where there is more chance to make mistake. C6H5CH2NH2, is it an aromatic amine? No, it will look like an aromatic amine. If you draw the expanded structure of this C6H5, we can draw like benzene ring, isn't it? Then CH2NH2. It is actually an aliphatic amine. The only difference is, if it is CH3NH2, we know it is an aliphatic amine. The only difference here is, from CH3, one hydrogen is replaced. So CH3 will become CH2 by a benzene ring. So it is an aliphatic amine with benzene ring as a branch or substituent. So if the NH2 group is directly attached to benzene ring, we can consider it as an aromatic amine. So remember, this is not an aromatic amine. This is only an aliphatic amine with benzene ring as a branch or substituent. Now the last one is C2H5 twice NH, definitely an aliphatic amine and a secondary amine. So question is to arrange in the increasing order. So least basic will be, yes, aniline or aromatic amine. Next we have ammonia. Then which will be least basic among, this is, here we have two alkyl group and here we have one alkyl group. Here it is an aliphatic amine, but along with that there is a benzene ring, and we know that benzene ring is -I or electron withdrawing. So comparatively its basicity will be less. Then comes a primary amine and then comes a secondary amine with two alkyl groups. Now then you will have doubt. When should we consider this gaseous phase and when should we consider aqueous phase? If 3 methylamines are given, or if 3 ethylamines are given. 3 ethylamines means primary, secondary and tertiary methylamines. Similarly, primary, secondary and tertiary ethylamines are given. All the 3 types of amines of methyl or ethyl are given, then only we need to write the increasing or decreasing orders separately as gaseous and aqueous phase. See the next question. The question is B, that is C2H5NH2, C2H5 twice NH, C2H5 thrice N and C6H5NH2. Here if you look at the question, in this question we have 3 ethylamines. First one is a primary ethylamine, then we have a secondary ethylamine and a tertiary ethylamine. When such question comes, we have to write the order separately in gaseous phase as well as in aqueous phase. So first we will see in gaseous phase. We know that in gaseous phase there is no other factors influencing. We have to see only the inductive effect. Now, and along with this we have one aromatic amine, that is aniline, and question is to arrange in the increasing order of basicity. So first or least basic will be aniline. Then in gaseous phase we know only inductive effect, that is plus psi effect of alkyl group, and we know the order primary, secondary, tertiary. So primary has only one alkyl group which is plus psi, but secondary has 2 alkyl groups and tertiary has 3 alkyl groups. So more electron density will be on nitrogen in the case of tertiary. Now in the case of aqueous phase also one thing is clear, that is C6H5NH2 or aniline will be least basic. Now what about the ethylamine order? Yes, ethylamine we know the order, that is primary will be least basic, then comes tertiary, that is 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, that is the order. So primary will be least basic, then comes tertiary and then comes secondary. So remember the order of ethylamine, increasing order of basicity. In the textbook it is given as the decreasing order, but here it is asked as to write the increasing order of basicity. In the next question also, if you look at the question, you can see that 3 different types of methylamines are given. There is a primary methylamine, secondary methylamine and tertiary methylamine. Along with that aniline and the C6H5CH2NH2 benzylamine is also given. So here also we have to write separately in gaseous and in aqueous phase. Gaseous phase, whether it is gaseous or aqueous, aromatic amine will be least basic. So aniline is least basic because the question is to arrange in the increasing order of basicity. Then next comes C6H5CH2NH2, that is benzylamine. I told you because it looks like an aromatic amine, but it is not an aliphatic, it is not an aromatic. It is an aliphatic amine with benzene as a branch. But due to the presence of this C6H5 group, which is minus psi, comparatively the basicity will be less. Then here we are writing in gaseous phase. In gaseous phase always the order will be primary, secondary, tertiary. Tertiary will be always more basic in the case of aliphatic amine. Now in aqueous phase definitely aniline is least basic. Then comes our aliphatic amine with benzene as the substituent, which has a minus psi effect. Then what is the order of methylamine in aqueous phase? Yes, tertiary is least basic, then comes primary, then comes secondary. All these questions are repeated board questions. Okay, next. We have another question. There is a back exercise, question number 13.4. Write in the decreasing order of pKb values. The question is to write in the decreasing order of pKb values. And we know that decreasing order of pKb value means we have to write in the increasing order of basic strength. Now look at the structure and tell me which is least basic here. Okay, so we have to write in the increasing order of basicity. So which is least basic here? C2H5NH2, it is an aliphatic amine. C6H5NHCH3. What is C6H5NHCH3 structure? If we expand the structure, C6H5 means it is a benzene ring, then NH. So N is directly attached to benzene ring, so it is an aromatic amine. But here we have a CH3 group. So due to this, it is an aromatic amine, but due to the presence of the CH3 group, comparatively this will be more basic. Okay, then simple aniline. Simple aniline means this is simple aniline C6H5NH2, but there is no groups like CH3 here in the case of aniline. So what will be the order here? So here, how we can write in the decreasing order of pKb value or increasing order of basicity, least basic will be aniline, that is C6H5NH2, because NH2 is directly attached to benzene ring. Then next comes our C6H5NHCH3, because that is also an aromatic amine. But compared to aniline, this will be more basic due to the plus I effect of methyl group. Now, next we have two aliphatic amines, C2H5NH2 and C2H5 twice NH. This is a primary amine, this is a secondary amine, and we know that primary amine will be least basic and secondary amine will be more basic due to more number of alkyl groups. Now, the next question. The question is to arrange in the increasing order of see, in the first question there is a mistake. The order is correct because the question is to arrange in the decreasing order of pKb value. Decreasing order of pKb value means increasing order of basicity. We have arranged in the increasing order of basicity, but the question is to write the decreasing order of pKb value. So this is actually pKb decreasing order. The order is correct, the only thing is we have to change the symbol. Now see the next question. Arrange in the increasing order of basic character. Which is more basic here? Aniline we have. Then this is simple aniline. What do you mean by C6H5NCH3 twice? It is N dimethyl aniline. Aniline with 2 methyl group as substituents. 2 methyl group means methyl group will be plus I, electron donating. So compared to aniline, this will be more basic. So the least basic will be C6H5NH2 aniline. Then the next aromatic amine C6H5NCH3 twice. Then the more basic will be, this is a secondary amine, this is a primary amine. So primary amine will be less basic and secondary amine will be more basic. Now the next question is arrange in the increasing order of basic strength. The questions are aniline, para-nitroaniline and para-toluidine. Para-nitroaniline means in aniline there is a nitro group. We know that nitro group is minus I, so that will decrease basicity. Para-toluidine means, we know the structure of toluidine. Toluidine means aniline with methyl group. Aniline containing methyl group as substituent. So para-toluidine means aniline, para position there is a methyl group. So we have aniline, we have simple aniline, we have then para-nitroaniline means there is a nitro group at para position which is minus psi. So decreases basicity. Para-toluidine means, sorry here it is NH2. Para-toluidine means aniline with para position methyl group, but methyl group is plus psi or electron donating, that will increase basicity. So question is to write in the increasing order. So it is least basic here. Yes, para nitroaniline is least basic. Note down the answer also. Why para nitroaniline is least basic here? Due to minus psi effect of nitro group. Then comes aniline. Then comes para-toluidine. Why para-toluidine is more basic? Note down the reason, due to the plus psi or electron releasing effect of methyl group. Now in the next question is also to arrange in the increasing order. We have simple aniline, aniline with a methyl group which is plus psi, and here don't think that it is an aniline. It is an aliphatic amine with benzene ring as a substituent. So the order will be, which will be least basic here, C6H5NH2, then comes C6H5NHCH3, more basic will be C6H5CH2NH2. Remember, because it is an aliphatic primary amine with benzene ring as a substituent. Now the fourth question is to arrange in the decreasing order of basic character in gaseous phase. In the decreasing order means from higher to lower. So which is more basic here? In gaseous phase we need to consider only the number of alkyl groups, isn't it? So it is a primary amine with 1 alkyl, 2 alkyl, 3 alkyl and ammonia, and we know that alkyl amines are more basic than ammonia. So here more basic is tertiary amine with 3 alkyl group. Then comes secondary amine NH. Then comes primary amine NH2. Then least basic will be ammonia. Question number 5. Arrange in the increasing order of boiling point. See the compounds. First one, it is an alcohol. Second one is an amine. What amine? Secondary amine. And it is a primary amine. And we know that alcohols are definitely having higher melting point and boiling point than amines. So question is to arrange in the increasing order. So the one with highest boiling point will be ethanol. Then primary or secondary amine which has higher boiling point, the one with more number of hydrogen on nitrogen. So this is a secondary amine NH with only one hydrogen on nitrogen. Here we have NH2. 2 hydrogen on nitrogen, that is primary amine. So primary amine can form more number of hydrogen bonding. So what happens? Primary amine will be having higher boiling point than secondary. So which is having the least, CH3 twice NH, having lower boiling point than primary. Answer is this. Now the last question is in the increasing order of solubility in water. Solubility also depends on the number of hydrogen on nitrogen. At the same time, the bulky hydrophobic hydrocarbon part. When the hydrocarbon part is large, remember that compound will be insoluble in water because hydrocarbon part is always hydrophobic or water repelling in nature. Now, so here we have NH2 with a primary amine, NH secondary, This is also NH2 primary. So increasing order is the question. The one with less number of hydrogen or nitrogen will be less soluble in water. That is C2H5 twice NH will be least soluble in water. Then the other two are primary amines, but among these two primary amines, which will be more soluble and which will be less soluble? Yes, see the hydrocarbon part. Here the hydrocarbon part is the bigger benzene ring, but here it is C2H5NH2. So more soluble. Among these two, more soluble will be this one. So next comes, we are writing in the increasing order. So more soluble will be, these are the few repeated board questions coming from the section, that means the increasing or decreasing order of basicity of amines.